Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and today I'm decorating the fifth bow in a series of 6. And since I've been doing these bows all week, you've seen this process, and so I'm just going to speed through the initial decorating of this bow until we get to the part that's different from the others. If you haven't seen the others, I'll leave a link in the description, and you can go and watch all of those. This cookie cutter has a bow that's kind of in the back and then another one that's in the front. So I started by outlining and flooding in the bow that's in the back with white royal icing in a 15-second consistency. And now I'm going to pipe in the red bow that's in the front with a red 15-second consistency royal icing. And as I always do, I will use my scribe to get the icing out to the edges and smooth the icing. Now I'm making this bow for part of a Mary Poppins set, so I wanted to take elements from her dress and put them on the bow. And so here I'm just going to make some little bows at the bottom, and I'm just taking my red icing in the same 15-second consistency, and there I kind of lost control, so I got my finger in there and got it out of the way before it landed where I didn't want it to go, and then completed my bow. So I'm just going to lift up a little bit and make a loop around, and then I'll stop, and then I'm going to go back and use my icing to make the tails. I'm not going to quite touch that center. I'll use my scribe to get it up to the center so that it's not really big and puffy in the middle. There's so many different ways you can decorate these bows. You can use the same color, you can use different colors, you could put a royal icing transfer in the center. A big daisy would look really cute right here in the middle. And in the 6th bow of the series, I'm actually going to try using some edible lace and putting that on the tails and the bow that's in the background. So stay tuned for that video to see how that goes and how edible lace tastes on cookies. So anyway, this simple bow is done. I hope you enjoyed this little quick overview. Be sure to check out the rest of the bows in the series. And if you're interested in cookie decorating tutorials, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I have new tutorials almost every day.